Odoland Bike Repair Kit on Amazon. Now, if I had the choice to do again, I would not have bought this toolkit. I would have bought something entirely different. I would have spent a little bit more money and just bought something better, is what I would have done. I needed it, and I needed it in a pinch, and I had the capabilities to mill off what the tool I needed. I needed to mill off 10 thou off of this in order for it to be functional to remove a bottom bracket. It's functional now. The chain breaker tool broke the first time I used it. It was total junk. I went to Walmart, purchased a better one. You know, it did work. You know, the crank puller worked well. Didn't have a problem with that. Now, I did not use any of the other tools, so I can't really grade them as far as their functionality. I can tell you what I think about them, and I think they're just as junky as the rest of them. So if you are looking for something top quality, spend a little bit more money. Do not buy Odoland Bike Repair Kit from Amazon. And don't buy it if you need it for the bottom bracket tool and you don't have the means to mill off 10 thou, because that ain't gonna do you a bit of good. Or if you need it for the chain breaker, because that as well is not gonna do you a bit of good. It ain't gonna work. So with that being said, y'all have a great day. KTL Customs out.